Thank you for allowing me the opportunity to speak with you this day. You may know me as Guinevere, Queen of Camelot. There have been many stories about me. Some of them have elements of truth, some of them are fallacies, some of them are complete fiction. The world in your current times are changing more rapidly than we have known for thousands of years. The environment around you is changing and the environment within you is changing. You have opportunities at this point in time that are either rewards or tests for what you have done or what you have not mastered in times gone by. Seize your present moment and make the changes within yourself that you know that you need to make. There is no space now for addiction, for harbored grudges, for secret vendettas, for thoughts, words, or deeds against another that are harmful. Consider yourselves kings and queens. Be noble. Do not go seeking events outside of yourself. Events will come to you. Allow them in or dismiss them according to your kingdom or queendom. Behave nobly. Think nobly. Speak nobly. Do not concern yourself with the opinions of others. If I were to concern myself with the opinions that much has been said and written about me, I would be turned inside out. I would be distraught at the disparity of what has been said and written and what is the truth of who I am. Do not concern yourself with trying to re-educate others about who you are and what you stand for. Put your time and your energies and your intent into what you know is right, into your projects that are aligned with the highest good, beginning within yourself. Align your inner masculine and your inner feminine. It is not enough to pray, to meditate, to be. You also need to do. The difference now is in the past, the mind and the masculine energies and the masculine rulers of the world have dictated what to do and how to do it. Now you are granted the privilege of following your heart. And this is what you must do. This is how you must re-educate yourself to listen to the heart voice within. Your inner feminine, whether you be masculine or feminine in your physical presentation, is irrelevant. Now is the time to reconnect with your feminine, reconnect with your heart's desire, and then incorporate your mind's ability to do. Listen to your intuition and use your mind and your physical abilities in the outside world to bring about what you have intuited. The person allowing me to speak through her today has a saying, do not let the tail wag the dog. I like this very much. Do not let your mind wag your heart. Allow your heart to be in charge now. Allow your heart to be happy so your tail will naturally wag, so to speak. I, in my incarnation as Guinevere, was a time represented by Christianity over the old pagan rituals. And now you have other spiritual traditions overriding Christianity. none of these forms are specifically relevant ways for you to follow. They are frameworks, they are guidelines, but it is within your own true self, within your own essence, that you must find your values and your truths. For in truth, I and you have had many incarnations experiencing many of the different philosophies. Myself, I'm from the lineage of the goddess Isis, the Magdalens, and the Divine Mother. I am inherent in the Divine Feminine line, a lead aspect of the Divine Mother, you might like to put it. Some of you are the same. Many of you are not. Many of you have different lineages. We are all parts of the same rainbow. It is not for us to all be the same. However, it is for us to have the same respect for each other, the same opportunities. Concern yourself not with what other people are doing or not. Concern yourself with your own self-mastery, your own inner purity, your own alignment, your own fulfillment of the contracts that you are here to fulfill. I come from a time very famous for the sword of truth, Excalibur. It is in the agenda that the Lady of the Lake will speak through this one on another time. But why do I mention this now? Because you know and you respect the sword of truth, the great famous sword of Excalibur. But within you, you have your own sword of truth, so to speak. You have your own ability to be discerning about what is truth and what is not. Cut through the rubble, cut through the nonsense. Do not waste your time with fake news, fake emotions, fake friends, fake famousness, fake anything. Embrace your inner queen, embrace your inner king. Sit on your own throne and behave nobly. Think nobly, proceed nobly. And if you are not certain of your direction yet, take your time until you do. Thank you. We shall speak again.